Thomas, and I'm one of 2 lead programmers for MassUpdater 1.5, where you can build websites as well as update them. You can also add Mouseover Effects, you can drop Flash video, you can drop Flash ads, and you can drop Flash music. And you can drop 4 different size YouTubes. Plus, you can also drop photo galleries, all in one program. Let me show you how we build websites the MassUpdater way. First, we start with our site background. Then we go with our page background. Now, let me go ahead and drop page bottom. Then we're going to go with our splash photo. Next is our web navigation. Next thing we do is drop our page boxes. Let's go and add in our copyright. That's when your site was built, and who built your website, and who maintains your website. Now, we go ahead and add in our text. Don't forget your headers. Now, we go ahead and add in our photos. Last but not least, don't forget your logo. And that's how we build a website the MassUpdater way. Well, alright, let's get back to it. But first, I'm going to need my glasses. They protect my secret identity. Right? First thing we want to do is we want to log in. After that, your license has been validated, and you just go ahead and hit continue. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how fast MassUpdater is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through a few pages. Here we go. Now you see exactly how fast MassUpdater is. No extreme load times, basically lossless editing. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to build a web page in MassUpdater, just like how it drew on the board. In particular, the Harrington Home site. It's a pretty nice site. Let's take a look. First, we're going to start with a blank page, and then we're going to go to Advanced Web Builders. Advanced Web Builders are not really that advanced. It's set up for the end user. So the only advanced part is that it's a web builder. What we have here is every element that I was talking to you about, plus a few more. And that is your site background, your page backgrounds, your page boxes, your web photos, your web navigation, your headers and lines, your web buttons, your ad boxes, and your photo gallery. And we'll get to that photo gallery in a moment, but it's pretty cool, let me tell you. Okay, one of the best things about the MassUpdater software is its interface. Now let me show you. We have a left edit that has all the same basic functions as any other CMS system. Where we differ is that MassUpdater has multiple galleries, both on the top and the bottom, because the software was developed by web developers for the end user and other web developers to make it very easy, because we know that we like to pull elements as fast as we can. So what we set up was multiple galleries so that the end user as well as the web developer can grab as many elements as fast as they could. So what we have over here also is the photo folder, and these pop up at the bottom. These are hierarchical photos. So basically, these photos sit on top, and you can make links out of these photos as well. Also in your photo gallery is the infamous spacer GIF, and we'll get to that in a moment. At the top, we have our mouse over links. We also have our icons. And here, down here is the flash button. The flash button is really cool because that's where you can go ahead and embed your YouTubes as well as your flash movies and your flash music as well as your flash ads, plus a few more. Then we have your files. Files pops up at the top. Also pretty cool. You can upload all your PDFs there. Your templates. Your templates basically are the bounding boxes that make up the elements to put together any website in MassUpdater. Now, with these boxes, you can go ahead and you can drop your YouTubes in those boxes, and it helps keep control of them so you can move them easier and you can delete them easier. And the same thing with your flash elements. Also, that bounding box goes well with your photo gallery as well. So, let me go back to Advanced Web Builders, and we're going to go to our site backgrounds, and I'm going to show you exactly how fast it is that you can build a website in MassUpdater. So site backgrounds, we're going to choose the site background that goes with that particular website that I was drawing on the board. Okay, here it is. Now, all you have to do is place your cursor in the main editing box and then hit your drop without any tiling, and that's on your far right side. The others just tile down and to the right, or down period, or to the right period, and the last one just drops. Let me show you. And there you go, just that easy. Now the great thing about this is that you can upload site backgrounds into these folders without a problem, and pretty much into all these folders you can upload things to. Now, these images are programmed within these folders so that you can pretty much upload any image into it, and then you can layer images on top of it. No thought on your end whatsoever. We're smart enough to do this for you so you wouldn't have to work very hard. You also have a delete button, so you can delete anything that is in these galleries and then upload them again. All depends on what you want to do. So basically, this program is so smart, you really don't need a secondary FTP uploader. You know, a program that just uploads objects and changes commands and stuff like that. This is already set up for you. Okay? So, we have our background dropped. Let's go ahead and set it up so we can drop the page background. First, we go to our photo gallery. And we're just going to scroll down to the spacer GIF. And the spacer GIF basically is a 10 by 10 pixel image that gives you a little bit of space. Okay. Now, with the spacer GIF, when you click and drag it, you can actually move objects within inside MassUpdater. So that means that you don't have to worry about any BRs or anything like that, or you know, those NSBs, whatever's, you know. Basically, all you have to do is just drop a spacer GIF and then drag the spacer GIF. You'll move an image. So let me go ahead and get you started. There's a secondary type of spacer GIF, and this is one that you can build, and pretty much you can build any type of spacer GIF that you want. But I always use the second type of spacer GIF that I upload into our text GIFs gallery. And basically what this enables you to do is it gives you power over the lower images, basically. So let me go ahead and show you that. My favorite one is the 144 by 1 pixel spacer GIF. And let me pull that up. Okay, here we go. And we're going to use that same button to drop that one. We'll need to tile one time. There you go. No tiling at all, basically. We only need to drop. It doesn't need to tile at all. So we have that one, and we have the second one, and I'm just going to move that down a little bit. And this is going to set up a boxed area, a little 90-degree thing, so that our page background can drop right in there perfectly. Now, before we drop the page background, we're just going to grab one more element, and this is under templates.